Now, sometimes it is good to probably go somewhere and meditate, reflect, and think about the plans that you have for the future. Probably have some nice time with friends, people you think are there for you when you need them. It is so important because at the end of the day, people who are there for you, family, that is what matters. Yes, and we also thank God that. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I like it. We decided to, we were fixing the fuel pump because you know that EFI must have an in-tank fuel pump to help in cooling. So the wiring guy there was fixing the computer, the ECU, what most people call the computer. That is what controls the engine. That is the difference between EFI and carburetor. Carburetor does it, it's not electronically controlled. So, ladies and gentlemen, I've had my first drive from the garage to the car wash. Now, what I've noticed is that the car is struggling to accelerate because it is kind of sputtering when you try to accelerate. That means that there's not enough fuel coming to the engine. So probably that is something to do with the fuel pump or the tank. So remember that we modified the tank. So that is what I'm planning to do. Yeah. Next, probably I'll park it for now because I don't want to drive it in this condition. Because probably I might harm the engine, not enough fuel going in. I might kill the pump, and maybe the pump is not the issue. So we'll see about that. Yes. Let me see if it will. Kama itaguruma. As you can see, it's inaguruma. Yeah, but hata sahi, it's like after haifiki enough. Yeah, but inaguruma. I'm having a test of this car. It's a bit disappointing. Stalling, I don't know why. Yes, that is what I'm trying to figure out. So I don't know if it's a clutch or I don't understand. Yeah, when you accelerate, inalemewa. Yes. So I'm actually trying different positions to understand if there will be fuel starvation. So this side, let me do this so that I see if I lean like this, if there will be any fuel starvation. There's some jerkiness that I don't like that we'll try to figure out, especially when you get to the third gear. Inakuwa ngumu kabisa, it doesn't pick. So that's what I'm supposed to. Probably the fuel pump is not giving enough fuel. Yes, so that is what this test is for. This test is for. Yeah, it's becoming jerky. Here we are. I opened this trunk. Then I changed this fuel pump. I'm not sure whether it's working perfectly, that's why I've changed it. I removed the tank. It was quite a hassle, but finally I did. Yes, so here we were. We were going for a test after replacing the fuel pump, and there you see this, the car was like it was brand new, peaking instantly. And of course nilikuwa nimeweka enough fuel, like around 2500. I don't know, that is it like 10 liters? Like it was almost getting to a half tank. Well, then I also realized that the car needed wheel alignment, so I took it to Shell for wheel alignment. The car is a bit stable. I had issues with steering shaking so much, but now it's not. And there was a sound coming from there. I think the tire was rubbing or something. So it's a bit stable. Actually, the guy I gave this car, never mind, they changed something and I didn't like do the alignment. So when it cost the front tire, so it means but anyway, I will change the rims to bigger ones. So we'll see from there. The thicker road. Oh no, terrain. Heading to thicker road. Try to see how this car is performing. So far so good. So that's it. Yeah, driving a manual car. Hey, Nico, gear 5, eh? You're doing good. I have my eyes on the temperature gauge. So far, it's not bad. Yeah, so naendelea kweli. See what I got here. So remember that I have issues with like I don't have a speedometer because of the cable. The cable speedometer is not working. I need to get another cable. But for now, I decided to get this digital speedometer. As you can see, at the moment it's at 0 kilometers per hour. So this thing uses USB-C. Unadunga hapo nyuma, then you can dunga it here. Yes, so it was very affordable from Jumia. Where is the price? It was plus delivery is 1,287. That is fair. So it's here. It's actually working perfectly and I like it. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, it is working. It is working now. You see? That is instantaneous. Hakuna kudelay. Very nice. I like it. I was missing this. Ladies and gentlemen, and that is my check engine light. Ha ha ha. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll update you in the next video. Vile kunaenda. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.